So we put on this white garments. Okay, so they do tawaf. Okay, so when they get to Mecca, so there is Safa and Marwa. Yes. They do sa'yu around Safa and Marwa. So that means they just keep moving, going and coming.
One end to the other.
Exactly, from one end to the other. So all these things, they are just like movements, but they are acts of ibadah. They are acts of worship. Okay, they also stay on the plane of Arafah. So also an act of ibadah. I'll still talk about the benefits or the importance of that. Okay, so these are the compulsory aspects of Hajj that no one must leave behind. No one must leave behind. You see some people, they take them on wheelchairs just to get to that Arafah. Yeah, maybe they are sick, maybe they are, because that's a pillar.
Pillars,
yes.
Yeah. One of the scholarly opinions I heard is that when someone is physically not capable to do the sa'i, the Safa and Marwa, that he can delegate someone to do it on his behalf. How acceptable is this scholarly opinion?
Actually, any acts among the acts of Hajj, the acts of worship in Hajj, if someone cannot truly do one or carry one out of these acts of ibadat, okay, can he delegate? So if he has to delegate someone, it may be allowed, because ordinarily, can you ask someone to perform Hajj on your behalf? The whole of the rites of Hajj. Of course, you can ask someone to do that because of the hadith of that Labbaika an Shibrima. Labbaika, the man was saying Labbaika an Shibrima. Have you performed Hajj yourself? So the one who is going to perform Hajj on behalf of someone must have performed Hajj. So we don't send somebody who hasn't performed Hajj. Maybe we have an old woman at home who cannot go at all, but we want her to perform Hajj. So we can send someone. Who are we sending? On her behalf, somebody who has performed the Hajj before. So,
or you support that person that has not, performed Hajj, to go for him or herself
first. Then maybe the following year he can now go for. He wants mommy to have the reward of Hajj. If you support somebody to go, that is sadaqah. That's just sadaqah. Yeah. But you want the person who is going to perform Hajj on behalf. So the person who is representing, he may have a reward of carrying out an act of ibadah for somebody, but not the reward of Hajj for himself. But the owner of the reward of Hajj is the one he did it on his behalf. Yeah. So going to the lessons, right? Of Hajj. Yes, Hajj is a symbol of unity, okay, among the Muslims, because we all gather there to serve Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We perform the same act of ibadah, the same way, the same manner. We gather on the surface of Arafah, praying to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It unifies the Muslims. Secondly, this sense of simplicity, you see, calmness, we get it from performing Hajj. Everybody seems equal. When you are on the plane of Arafah, you don't know who is a governor, who is a senator,
where they are from.
You don't even know where anybody is from. You are all dressing the same way in the white garments. It's a lesson that this world, we have to see how we bring ourselves together and work hand in hand. We are before Allah, we are from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and to Him shall be our return. So it also reminds us of the hereafter. The way we are all gathered on the Mount Arafah, on the surface of Arafah, is the way we will be gathered on the surface of Al-Qiyamah. That no one has superiority over another.
We are all equal.
Yes.
The sight of Allah.
The statement Ard al-Mahshar, where exactly is it the same? Because we hear different of opinions. Where is Ard al-Mahshar? Is it same Arafah that will be on the day of judgment?
Yeah, Wallahu A'lam. What he's asking is the surface of Al-Qiyamah, where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will pass judgment. Is it the same Arafah?
That's
Yeah, that we all gather there today. Wallahu A'lam, I don't think so. Yeah, but there's a surface where Allah will gather everybody. Yeah, for judgments. So Arafah reminds us
also that.
Yes, exactly, and that is one of the benefits of of performing Hajj. Okay, then it also teaches us Tawheed. How? Because of all the statements we utter there. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Oh Allah, I respond to you. Oh Allah, I respond to you. La sharika laka labbaik. There is no one worthy of worship except you. I do not associate partner to you. You have no partner, you have no
confessions.
Yes, confessions, serious ones. Everybody chants the same thing.
Yeah, all right. Before we go to the next question, Sheikh, I would like to quickly go on a break. And when we return, we'll continue. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere.
You're welcome again. Welcome back again. It's still the talk segment of another Ramadan TV series. And we have been having very insightful conversations with our Ustaz in the studio, Ustaz Yusuf Ariyibi, and he's been talking about the importance of pilgrimage in the lives of Muslims. Before we wrap up fully, when we look at the collective observance of Hajj and the beauty of it, how does that, how do I put this now? How does that help the human? What does that do for the human? How does it impact the human as a whole?
Yeah, just like the Salah that we observe in congregation, okay, the fasting of Ramadan that we observe